Good day, everyone. AZCAR here. In this video, you will know that road safety is a shared responsibility. Images from hundreds of accident videos have shown the seriousness of negligence when participating in traffic. Serious accidents clearly reflect the need for increased awareness and caution on the roads. Hopefully, these videos will serve as a strong reminder to protect ourselves and those around us, thereby helping us to better play our role in maintaining traffic safety. At the intersection, a truck that did not look before crossing the road was hit by a speeding motorbike. The collision caused severe damage to the motorbike and serious injuries to the driver. The truck driver fled the scene and took no responsibility. Failure to look before crossing the road caused a serious collision and serious injury to others. Fleeing the scene is not only a violation of the law, but also shows indifference to the pain of others. The driver must take responsibility and cooperate with the authorities to deal with the consequences. At an intersection, a car suddenly crossed the road without looking carefully. At that moment, a motorcycle traveling at high speed did not have time to react and crashed into the car. The violent collision caused serious injuries to the motorcyclist. The lesson learned is that car drivers need to look carefully before crossing the road, especially at intersections. Failure to pay attention can lead to serious collisions and endanger other vehicles. At an intersection, two cars collided head-on while passing through the intersection. The impact caused serious damage to both vehicles and seriously injured the occupants. The scene of the accident shocked witnesses. The lesson from this accident is that obeying traffic rules and slowing down when approaching an intersection is very important. Observing and obeying traffic signals helps reduce the risk of collisions and ensures the safety of everyone on the road. While I was driving on the road, a car coming from the opposite direction suddenly had a flat tire. Then, the car lost control and crashed head-on into my car. The strong impact made me unable to react, causing both cars to be severely deformed and the person in my car to be seriously injured. From this accident, it is very important to carefully check the condition of the car before driving. Problems such as flat tires can cause serious accidents, so regular maintenance and inspection of the car is necessary to reduce the risk of accidents and protect everyone's safety. In a serious accident, a man being pursued by the police tried to escape by driving his car into a crowded pedestrian area. This reckless and inhumane act resulted in a violent collision, causing many deaths and serious injuries. Although the man was arrested by the police, the devastating consequences he caused could not be compensated. The act of disregarding life to escape is an unforgivable crime, which must be severely punished and serve as a warning about responsibility and ethics when participating in traffic.
When Ram ran, it was like watching a hunting hound speed after a deer, all hard new muscles and flowing strength. When Issa ran, it was like watching a deer flee, all easy grace and surprising.
The video shows a car changing lanes without looking for a tractor trailer approaching. This action resulted in a serious collision. The car driver's carelessness and inattention when changing lanes caused an accident and increased the risk to all vehicles on the road. This is an important reminder to follow traffic rules and pay attention when changing lanes to protect your safety and the safety of others. Two young men were speeding on a motorbike, and without looking carefully, they crashed into a car that was crossing the road. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured, but the collision caused damage to both vehicles and caused a traffic jam. This incident reminds us of the importance of obeying the speed limit and always paying attention when participating in traffic to ensure the safety of ourselves and others.
Nè, hổ nghiêm trọng.
我哋架車應該花晒。
A white car attempted to pass a truck, but instead of passing on the left, the driver chose to pass on the right. This mistake caused the white car to lose control, collide with a red car in the left lane, and both cars were pushed a long distance by the truck. The white car driver's wrongful overtaking behavior not only endangered himself, but also put others in danger, emphasizing the importance of obeying traffic laws. Dominic was traveling down a one-way street when he suddenly encountered a motorbike driving the wrong way. The motorbike moved into the middle of the road, leaving Dominic unable to react and throwing the motorbike away. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. The wrong-way driving behavior of motorbikes is not only dangerous for the driver, but also for other drivers, emphasizing the importance of staying in the right lane to ensure traffic safety.
Ой, блядь!
The black car failed to keep a safe distance and did not look carefully before attempting to overtake a vehicle in front. While overtaking, the black car crossed into the opposite lane and collided with a vehicle traveling in the correct lane. The impact caused the black car to spin several times and flip over. This was a valuable lesson for black car drivers about the importance of maintaining a safe distance and looking carefully when overtaking. A white car was moving when it suddenly lost control and crashed into a lamppost on the side of the road. The strong impact caused the lamppost to fly into a car that was driving next to it. As a result, both cars were severely damaged, and the people in the car were seriously injured. The whole incident was recorded by a passenger car's dashcam. If you find this video useful, please like and leave the number 1 in the comments section.
Пожалуйста. Ой-ой-ой! Это лезет дура, блядь.
One afternoon, Edsel was stopped at a red light at an intersection when he witnessed a terrible accident. A car passing through the intersection at a reasonable speed was suddenly hit by another car traveling at high speed. The impact caused serious damage to both cars, and one of them was thrown far away. As a result, the person in the car was seriously injured. To ensure safety, we should always obey the speed limit and pay attention when participating in traffic. Thank you for always being with us. Your support is a great source of motivation for us to continue spreading stories and lessons about traffic safety. Let's build a civilized and safe traffic community together by sharing your experiences in the comments section. Each like and each share from you is a precious gift that helps us bring this message to more people. Wishing you peace and happiness.